What's up, y'all? How are y'all having a good day? Hope you're all having a good day. So you can see these two effects are made with special fonts and specifically text, which sounds kind of crazy since there's other applications for this type of stuff. But you can just use text, and the text editor in Capcut is enough to make great special effects. Now let's do a more hands-on project that we'll be doing together. You can find text at the very beginning of the screen, like as seen here. Before you start editing a clip. Here's a bunch of things. We have animations, fonts, effects, bubbles, presets. We got a bunch of things. I would not use animation. It's my preference. You can just use mask, but they'll have their own uses at their times. Here in the video, I'm using the font, one of my favorite fonts, Kirby. And the reason behind it is that I'm going to show you how to type in it and show you the difference between each font. Every font has a different, for example, period in Kirby would be different from period in Arial, and etc. So go and explore so that it's easier for you to start drawing and for you to make cool stuff. Here I show how you can color your letters in the text by using text and by pressing the colors. The colors you can choose. You can also pick the big rainbow circle thingy, and there you have your choice of color. The next thing would be layering. When you copy and paste or duplicate the same image on top of another, depending on the layer, the color, and also depending on the opacity, can change. For example, in this clip, I'm changing the layers, and I'm adding other layers on top of each other to create this cool effect. The opacity on this will change the color, as you can see. Changes from light to dark and etc. Adding the period from last time from the different font, it looks like there is like a perspective, right? 2 stars, and there is a big light in the far, far, like perspective wise. The word would be far off, I think. That's what I meant to say. Here I'm just showing styles, showing you the effects and stuff, what they all do. Here I'm showing you the background. Whenever you have to use it, you can change the color of the background. I'm going to show you, what am I going to show you? Shadow. Shadow is very useful. It can be used as a background depending on the text. I didn't show it, but on shadow you can lower, below opacity is where you can see more features. I just didn't scroll down. But where you can add blur into it, and when you lower the blur all the way down, that's where it will have a double text. What it will look like two background will look 3D, which will be useful. You have case, ball ratio, yeah. Well, happy creating. Yo, if you like that, you should check my other content too. Wait, there's no other content. Oh my god, there's no